This protocol will demonstrate how to grow cerebral organoids from iPS cells using Acrobiosystems' human iPSC-derived cerebral organoid differentiation kit. This protocol has 2 stages: embryoid body (EB) formation and cerebral organoid differentiation. This protocol is meant to be used with high-quality iPS cells that are cultured under the MT-SIR culture system for at least 4 passages. The iPS cell quality should be verified to exhibit distinct borders, tight packing, and less than 10% differentiation with respect to their colony's surface area. Stage 1. Embryoid body formation. Rinse HPSC cultures with pre-warmed DPBS without calcium ion and magnesium ion 3 times. Aspirate and replace with 2 ml of gentle cell dissociation reagent. Incubate at 37 degrees for 7 to 10 minutes. Pipette cells for obtaining single cells. Transfer to the tube and centrifuge at 300 times gravity, 4 degrees for 5 minutes. Remove the supernatant and add 1 ml MT-SIR Plus to resuspend cells. Count cells using trypan blue and a hemocytometer. Transfer appropriate number of cells into MT-SIR Plus with 10 micromolar Y27632 to acquire final concentration of 7,500 cells per 100 microliter. Add 100 microliter of cell suspension into each well of a 96-well round-bottom ultra-low attachment plate. Centrifuge at 300 times gravity, 4 degrees for 5 minutes. Incubate at 37 degrees, 5% carbon dioxide for 24 hours. Count the day after 24 hours incubation as day 0. Verify the formed EBs at day 0 to have a size about 400 to 500 micron and a smooth, round edge. Continue to incubate for 48 hours. At day 2, add 100 microliter of MT-SIR Plus without Y27632 into each well of EB-formed well. Continue to incubate for 48 hours. Stage 2. Differentiation of cerebral organoid. Before starting this stage, please prepare the medium A, B, and C as the instruction table shows. At day 4, remove all the medium in the wells. Add 200 microliter medium A into each well and incubate at 37 degrees, 5% carbon dioxide for 48 hours. At day 6, remove all the medium A from each well and add 200 microliter medium B into each well and incubate at 37 degrees, 5% carbon dioxide for 72 hours. On day 9, transfer all cerebral organoids into ultra-low attachment 6-well plate within maximum 24 organoids per well. Add 5 milliliter medium C per well. Put the plate on an orbital shaker. Set the shaker at 100 RPM and place it into the incubator. Incubate at 37 degrees, 5% carbon dioxide. Full medium change of medium C every 3 days. For further maturation of cerebral organoid, please use the human iPSC-derived cerebral organoid maturation and maintenance kit. This protocol allows the differentiation and long-term culturing of human cerebral organoids with no dead core presented after 100 days of culturing. Various neurons and glia cell types, including dopaminergic neurons, astrocytes, oligodendrocytes, and microglia, are presented in the cerebral organoid. Acrobiosystems' human iPSC-derived Cerebral Organoid Differentiation Kit generates organoids that mimic the human brain. For further information, please visit www.acrobiosystems.com or email to organoid@acrobiosystems.com.